Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you a unboxing of the Space Marines starting collection from Citadel Miniatures. So this is a Games Workshop tabletop game starting set. If you are deciding if you want to start your building your army of Space Marines and want to start to collect them, then this is one of the starting packs that you can consider. It really depends on when you are watching this video. I should say that as of 2017 there is also the Primaries, a line of new Space Marines, and that you might consider to check out the Dark Imperium box set if it is still available, just because these are the smaller sized, the older I should say standard Space Marines. So one of these box will cost you £50 or 65 euros, depending on which pricing you are considering. If you can, just look around. There are a couple of online resellers who will give you a discount, and you can get it much cheaper than the initial price. These miniatures are made by Citadel in England, as you can see here, distributed by Games Workshop. And in this starting package you will get your HQ, so a captain in Terminator armor, 10-man tactical squad, and you will also get a venerable dreadnought. Here is the loadout and the squad depicted. Okay, so we'll get you a nice tray, and all your sprues are inside. So this is the manual, or the construction guide for your Terminator. Nothing complicated. It will come only in only just on this screw inside the box. I did use it from a Age of Sigmar model, just to protect it a little bit more, because the sword is angled outwards, so it can possibly be damaged. So you will get your Terminator captain with the 40 mil base, then a couple of 32 mil bases for the tactical squad Marines, and also one textured or scenery base for your venerable dreadnought. This is a 65 mil base. Okay, so inside we have standard manuals. This is what you need to build them. So you need glue, fine cutters, and a scraping tool or a X-Acto knife. I have these tools from Citadel and they are really good, so if you don't have a scraping tool, you are working with your knife or X-Acto knife, I strongly suggest get one. It will make your work safer. Okay, so you have a couple of possibilities how to put together and a little bit customize your Marines. Different weapons options here, there, backpacks, torsos, yes, shoulder pauldrons, configurations. Yes, you can you can use different kind of grenades, so frag and crack grenades, combat knife, pistol, yes, etc. And also here are your options for your war gear, and also the stats. This one is the manual for the Dreadnought. And here are the nicely made sprues. So you will get 5 sprues plus the Terminator, so 6 sprues. Yes. Okay, so we have legs, some pauldrons and pouches on this one. Then on the second and third one we have the backpacks, the weapons, the different hands, shoulders, chain sword, so power sword, and here are your weapons options for your combat squad. So you have a flamethrower, plasma gun, bolters, and the last 2 sprues are basically the Dreadnought. So all parts are here. So this is a venerable Dreadnought, so you have scripture and markings. I hope you can see it. Here are the weapons, so assault cannon, also you will get two transfer sheets with your decals. Once again, these are the decals for the Space Marines. So these boxes are this box is can be used also for different chapters, but mainly these transfer sheets are for the Ultramarine chapter. But you can buy your customization kits for another chapter, and also the decals separately. And of course, here are a few options for you. And some informations. So probably this will phase out in a couple of years, and will be completely replaced by the Primaris line of the Space Marines products. Like I said, as of 2017, you can get the whole line of Primaris. You can start also with the Dark Imperium box set. I probably will also make an unboxing of that box set to show it to you. But consider the pricing. That is a much more expensive box, but you also will get two armies inside. So yeah, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day.